Terror camps in Pakistan continue to serve as breeding ground for terrorists, where they are trained in warfare tactics and equipped for incursions into India. These camps, doubling as logistical hubs, pose a grave security challenge as trained terrorists infiltrate into Jammu and Kashmir, often under the cover of darkness and adverse conditions. India's response has been robust, employing advanced surveillance technologies to monitor infiltration routes along the line of control. A report.
Terror camps in Pakistan serve as training grounds and bases for various terrorist organizations. These camps train militants in tactics such as guerrilla warfare, bomb making, and weapons handling, doubling as logistical hubs for planning and coordinating terrorist activities across the region. Infiltration from these camps into India's Jammu and Kashmir remains a long-standing issue, with trained terrorists crossing the line of control to carry out attacks or support local insurgencies. Infiltration routes are carefully planned, often involving crossing difficult terrain under the cover of darkness or adverse weather conditions to avoid detection by Indian security forces. The presence of these camps and ongoing infiltration pose significant security challenges for India, fueling insurgency and terrorism in the region. Pakistan provides logistical support, including weapons, ammunition, and communication equipment to facilitate operations of these terrorist groups. This support ensures that terrorists have the necessary resources to carry out attacks and sustain prolonged engagements with Indian security forces. Indian security forces, however, are actively engaged in tackling the challenge of infiltration, employing advanced surveillance technologies such as thermal imaging, drones, and border fencing to monitor infiltration routes along the line of control.
कैंपें हैं, टेरर फैक्ट्रीज हैं, ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से हैं वो वहां पे ऑपरेट करते हैं और उनका दुकान, उनकी कमाई और उनकी बिजनेस मॉडल इसी पर चलता है कि क्या हम अंदर डाल के खून खराबा कर पा रहे हैं। अगर वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उनको भी वहां पे पैसा मिलना बंद हो जाता है। उनको तरह तरह से जो पैसा मिलता है जगह जगह से, उनकी बिजनेसेस में, उनको अपनी सरकार से और दूसरे जरिए से जो मिलता है वो भी बंद हो जाता है।
Terrorist groups backed by Pakistan employ various tactics to undermine communal harmony, often resorting to selective attacks aimed at provoking retaliation and exacerbating religious divisions. Recent incidents have shown targeted violence against Hindu-majority areas in Jammu, intending not only to cause physical harm, but also to foster mistrust and incite communal tensions. The terrorist attack in Riyasi on June 9 resulted in the loss of several lives, exemplifying such efforts to disrupt peace and stability in the region. These actions create an atmosphere of fear and hostility, undermining efforts towards peaceful coexistence among communities.
In Jammu side, they are trying to do this primarily because they want to make it communal, because they know that there is composite population, मिले जुले लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पे, तो वो उसको खलल पाने के लिए इसको करना, मैंने उनको उस पे जोर देते हैं। हार भी रहे हैं क्योंकि कर नहीं पाते हैं। डांगरी हुआ पर दोनों कम्युनिटी ने मिल के उसको वो करा, रेस्पॉन्स करा कि ये टेरर एक्ट है। इट इज नॉट एन एक्ट ऑफ हिंदू वर्सेस मुस्लिम, इट इज एन एक्ट ऑफ टेररिस्ट्स who have no qualms, उनका कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है। वो जो 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 लोगों, इसमें बच्चा भी एक मर गया कोई। So this is an pure act of terror where no Muslim, no Islam is ever supporting it. So even the Hindu community has accordingly prevented it from, becoming communal. That is our core strength, I believe. The police force, which is also equally composite and is guarded and is armed with not only arms and ammunition, but with public faith.
Pakistan's strategy of using infiltration as a means to achieve its objectives against India has proven futile and counterproductive, leading to significant repercussions both internally and internationally due to terrorism. Despite decades of supporting and facilitating infiltration into Kashmir, Pakistan has not succeeded in altering the status quo or achieving its political goals. Instead, Pakistan finds itself grappling with the adverse consequences of terrorism within its own borders. Pakistan's involvement in supporting terrorism has led to international condemnation and isolation.